While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Soft energy. Let's begin. Easy pose. Sit cross-legged with your spine tall and shoulders relaxed. Rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes and take slow, steady breaths to calm the mind and center your energy. Seated forward bend. Sit with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Then exhale as you fold forward from your hips, reaching toward your feet. Keep your back long and breathe deeply to release tension. Cat pose. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. As you exhale, round your spine toward the ceiling. Tuck your chin to your chest and draw your belly in. Feel the stretch along your back and shoulders. Resting pose. Kneel on the floor. Bring your knees apart and sit back toward your heels. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead gently on the mat. Breathe slowly and let your body relax. Reclined butterfly pose. Lie on your back. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall open to the sides. Place your hands on your stomach or by your sides. Breathe deeply, feeling your body open and release tension. Supported bridge pose. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips and place a block or cushion under your lower back for support. Rest your arms by your sides and breathe slowly, allowing your chest to open. Supine twist pose. Lie on your back, pull one knee toward your chest, and gently guide it across your body while keeping your shoulders on the floor. Stretch your opposite arm out to the side and look toward it. Breathe deeply and relax into the twist. Supine twist pose. Lie comfortably on your back. Bring one knee toward your chest and gently cross it over your body. Extend your opposite arm to the side and turn your gaze in that direction. Let your spine relax and breathe slowly, feeling a gentle release through your back. Legs up a wall pose. Sit close to a wall, lie back, and gently lift your legs up so they rest against it. Keep your arms relaxed by your sides and close your eyes. Breathe calmly, allowing your body to unwind and your mind to rest. Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach with hands under your shoulders. Inhale to lift your chest. Keep keeping elbows slightly bent and shoulders relaxed. Lengthen your spine and breathe steadily, feeling a gentle stretch in your chest and back. Hero pose. Kneel on the mat with your knees together or slightly apart. Sit back between your heels or on a cushion for support. Keep your spine tall, shoulders relaxed, and breathe deeply, feeling calm and grounded. Thread the needle pose. Start on all fours. Slide one arm under the other, resting your shoulder and head on the mat. Keep your hips lifted and breathe deeply, feeling a gentle twist in your upper back. Low lunge pose. Step one foot forward into a lunge, keeping the back knee on the floor. Align your front knee over your ankle and lift your chest. Breathe deeply, feeling a gentle stretch in your hips and thighs. Low lunge pose. Step one foot forward and keep the back knee on the floor. Align your front knee above the ankle. Lift your chest and reach your arms upward if comfortable. Breathe steadily, feeling a gentle stretch in your hips and legs. Half split pose. From a low lunge, shift your hips back and straighten your front leg. Flex your front foot and keep your spine long as you fold slightly over the leg. Breathe deeply, feeling a stretch in your hamstrings and calves. Half split pose. From a low lunge, shift your hips back and straighten your front leg. Flex your front foot and keep your spine long. Breathe steadily, feeling a gentle stretch along the hamstrings and calves. Corpse pose. Lie flat on your back with legs extended and arms relaxed by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and breathe naturally, allowing your whole body to fully relax and release tension.